She was not, she did not like socializing, especially as she got older. She hated chit chat. She didn't like going out that much. And she wasn't a big talker because she didn't like, um, like chatting. She thought it was a waste of time. And so sometimes I think she gave the impression of being aloof. And she was aloof. And she didn't have always the best opinion of the Jewish community of Montreal. And so I think she was once accused to her face of being a snob. That might have been fair. She was not inclined to put on a chatty exterior if she didn't feel like it. But if she met someone whom she liked and she was interested in, she was a wonderful listener and she was very good at drawing them out. And you could feel that all her attention was on you. But most of the time, she had to be really engaged, otherwise her mind was off somewhere else.